it again out here on Lake Tenkiller this morning. Got a special guest on the boat today. Take a look at that guy over there. Got my dad out here with me. For the first time, I drug him out of the house, so gonna see if we can get on some, hopefully some smallmouth, but maybe some largemouth, some spots, kind of whatever out of the three. Try to catch some bass, put some in the boat. Try to get dad on a fish is gonna be the biggest goal for today. So glad I got him out of the house. It's a beautiful morning. The water's about 80 degrees, a little bit of wind. Man, I think it's gonna be a really good day. Just out here doing what I love to do, and that is some good old bass fishing. So stay tuned, stick around. It's gonna be a good one. Let's try to get dad on a fish today, and let's go get him. First fish of the day, right there.
We hooked it so good.
Little guy. First fish of the day, just a little guy. That's good. Mark a little waypoint here. He's here for a reason. He's eating on something. Caught just as many fish at 3 in the afternoon than I've caught at 8 in the morning. He's got it.
You got one?
Yep. No, just a little guy. There we go. Dad, we found some fish, man. It's not a keeper though. Second fish of the day on the wacky rig. It's probably 12 inch. Well, they're back in here. I love it, man. Dad holding the bass, we gotta get him on one. I'm telling you, we're around some fish. That's a biggie.
Got him, son, bring him in. There you go.
That's a freaking catfish. Are you kidding? That's a freaking bass.
It's good eating right there.
Dude, I thought that was a freaking good one.
I did too.
Not the kind we're looking for. Good thing we're by the bridge. I got it.
Got him?
Yep.
You got too many rods on your feet.
It's a good one, too. Gotta start. What just happened, dude? Ready? Get him. Get him. Yeah. Let's go. I told you I was gonna get
There you
bit,
go.
man.
There you go.
Get you some of that. That's a solid 2-pounder.
Nice.
Give me some, Dad.
Good job.
Let's go.
Good job.
An old bitsy bud. Josh knows about that. Good
Beauty.
deal, man. Dude, give me some. I knew I was gonna get bit.
Good.
It's a little one. It's freaking tiny. Oh my god. a tiny little guy. Yeah. There it is. You got him? Nice. Let's go, Dad. Get him up here. Get him up here. Let's go.
Wait, let me let that out. Let me let that out. Wait.
Let some line out.
Yeah.
Let's freaking go, dude. Here, you get him out.
Wait. Yeah.
Let's freaking go. Let's go. That's a good one, man. Show the camera. Let's go.
There we go.
That might be a 2.5er, man. Let's go, dude. Slipping out my hand. Yes. He reeled it all the way up to the.
I did.
he said, I'm getting that damn fish in the boat.
Coming off.
There he is. Little one. So like 5th or 6th fish of the day. Yeah, that little guy ate the jig. 5th bass of the day. We caught a catfish. Nice. Out here fishing with my dad. A couple chunkers, man. 2 biggest fish of the day. Love to see it. All right, y'all. There you have it. Good day on Lake Tenkiller. Finally got Dad on a fish, probably a solid 2 1/4. I caught a nice 2-pounder. Caught quite a few fish throughout the day. Man, just making memories. That's what it's all about. Had a good old day, and I hope to do it again. What a blast. You have a good time, Dad?
Had an awesome time. Thank you, son.
Awesome time. You're welcome, Dad. Gonna have a lot more stuff coming this summer, this fall, so stay tuned, stick around. Gonna be kind of traveling to all the lakes, so could get interesting. Might go to some private places. You never know, but we want to bring it to the channel, so stay tuned. Lip Ripping Junkie, as always, we out of here.